To check out all our products, go to MusicNomadCare.com. Hey, it's Rand inside the Music Nomad Lab, ready to show you what you get when you get our premium ukulele care kit. So what you get inside the kit is you get 3 different things. You get our premium ukulele cleaner, which is great for both matte and satin finishes. It's biodegradable formulation, has UV protectants, it's streak-free, and it even smells amazing. You also get our 100% natural F1 oil, which is amazing for all unfinished wood, whether it's ebony, koa, rosewood. And you get our large suede premium microfiber cloth. And what's great about this is you can go ahead and fold it over and use one side for the ukulele cleaner and the other side for the fretboard oil. It also is great because you can wash this after you use it. It's machine washable. So let's go ahead and show you how to use this. First thing you want to do is you want to have a great platform to use, safe area. So we have actually the Music Nomad mat and the neck support, which works amazing for ukuleles. And we also recommend before you start is to remove the dust, because the dust is what scratches the surface and not the actual cleaner. So it's great just to dust down. And this is the Music Nomad tool. Dust all the area off. Then you go ahead and this is a gloss finish, but it's safe on gloss and matte. It has no polish or no wax, so that's why it is, and it's amazing to restore to its original condition. So what you want to do is you just want to spray it directly onto the cloth, or if you want to spray directly onto the surface, that's okay also. So let's go ahead and show how that works. So I'm going to spray directly on the surface. Go ahead and in circular motions, go ahead and clean all the way around. This ukulele I care for really well, so it's not really dirty. So you're not going to see a big wow, aha thing, but it is going to clean it up and remove all fingerprints and dust and debris. You can go on the back side, do the same thing, spray, and go ahead and clean it up. Why you want to do this is you get oil from your fingers, salt from your fingers, acid that transfers onto the finish, and it's great to remove that. You want to go ahead and get the sides as well. Remove that off the finish. This is poly and nitro safe. And so now the finish is looking amazing. Since this is a satin finish on the back, you can go ahead, I'm going to spray it so I don't get overspray directly onto the cloth. You can go ahead and get where your sweat ends up and clean up all that grime. It can also get on the hardware. It's completely safe for the hardware. And now you have a clean ukulele. The other area you can do is your headstock. Spray on the cloth since you have a small area you're trying to clean. It's safe around all the inlays that you see on your ukulele. So the next thing you would do is you go ahead and condition the fretboard. You want to do that about every 6 months. What's great about ours, it's lemon oil free. If it was lemon oil, you'd actually have to do it more often because lemon oil contains petroleum distillants and tends to evaporate really quickly and dry out the wood. But since this is 100% natural, you can go ahead and it really settles into the wood and does an amazing job at cleaning and conditioning. So what you do is you go ahead and just put a drop on each area, in each fret. Again, it's safe for all the inlays, but I just don't drop it right on top just so it hits the wood. And you'll just come back through and go back and forth, trying to get in right around the fret. It's completely safe for the fret. Actually, will clean up the fret nicely. So you let it sit in for a few minutes, and you go ahead and take the other side and just take off any of the excess oil. So This is a very easy thing for you to do. Again, about every 6 months you want to do the fretboard. You can go ahead and use the cleaner every month or so in between string changes as well, and then give it a thorough clean when you do your string change. So thanks so much for checking in to the Premium Ukulele Care Kit. Thanks for watching another one of our How to Use MusicNomad product videos. For more information on all our products, go to musicnomadcare.com.